Recount text adalah teks yang menceritakan
oh iya, juga dia kita lupa banget pengalaman.
itu yang jualan berisi. Perjalanan hidup.
Wis, videonya nggak kelihatan wis.
Tapi jenis people mau nggak?
Mau.
Jadi lagi nulis pakai tadi. Paten. Editing gambar sih dong. Ya iya tetap.
Kok tidak?
Minus 10 poin. Minus 10 poin.
Teks adalah teks yang menceritakan kembali kisah hidup atau pengalaman atau perjalanan hidup seseorang secara nyata yang ditulis kembali. Nah, adapun teks ini menyajikan sebuah fakta, pencapaian dan peristiwa-peristiwa penting di masa lalu tokoh yang diceritakan. Adapun ada yang bisa menyebutkan social function of recall text apa?
Tak tahu lagi dia. Saya kalau dia sekali berarti fotonya nggak ada. Nah itu
Okay, next is structure.
jalan
Ada yang bisa menyebutkan ada berapa struktur di dalam recall text? Yang kedua ada dan yang ketiga ada So, in this orientation, berisi pengenalan awal atau latar belakang suatu tokoh yang diceritakan. Ada yang bisa menyebutkan contohnya atau kalimat orientation itu apa?
Berisi pengenalan awal atau latar belakang tokoh yang diceritakan.
Iya ada salah.
For the series of events is berisi penjelasan tentang rangkaian peristiwa, rintangan, kegigihan yang dialami tokoh semasa hidup. Dan yang terakhir itu ada reorientation atau kesimpulan. Pandangan penulis dari keteladanan atau rangkuman kontribusi yang bisa ditiru dari tokoh tersebut. Contohnya apa?
We should admire him because he is the father of Indonesian national example.
Sekarang kita move ke language features. For biography text, we have 4 language features. Yang pertama itu ada simple past tense. Yang kedua ada action verb. Yang ketiga ada
Temporal connector.
Terus ada apa juga ada.
dan yang terakhir ada
Historical vocabulary.
Butuh morfin.
Rumus dari simple past tense, ada yang tahu subject plus verb berapa? 3 plus object. Ada yang bisa menyebutkan contohnya di situ? Dibaca coba.
Was
Julia Francisco.
Yang terakhir adalah historical vocabulary atau kosakata khusus yang berkaitan dengan sejarah. Anyone please give example of historical vocabulary?
Hero, contribution,
Okay, great. Now, please read the example of a real context in the textbook. Apa itu ada judulnya? Biografi
of
B.J.
Habibie.
Karena ini ada 3 paragraf, ada orientation, series of lesson, and the orientation. Coba Mbak Hima bacakan orientation of biography text B.J. Habibie.
PJ.
Bahrudin Yusuf Habibie, known as B.J. Habibie, was born in Parepare, Sulawesi on
Bon Jovi.
25. He was born to Ali Abdul Jalil Habibie and Era Marini Puspawardojo. When he was 40 years old, his father died. Later, Habibie continued his studies in Jakarta and showed a great passion for science.
Yes. Okay, good. For the second paragraph, please. Kak Anissa?
Ya.
Second paragraph.
Lagi
In
1950, Habibie moved to Germany to study engineering at RWTH Essen. He studied very hard and saved his degree there. In 1962, he returned to Jerusalem and helped Simon to come to Germany and help Ilham and Tarek. While working in a German aircraft company, Habibie developed application that is known as the Habibie Factor in 1974. He returned to the tradition because President Soeharto asked him to help develop the country. He became the Minister of Research and Technology and later in 1998 he was sworn in as the third President of Indonesia.
And the third paragraph is after the relocation of presidency, Habibie spent his time both in Germany and Indonesia. He also read a famous history book about his journey. This Habibie passed away on September 11, 2019. We should highlight his high motivation in studying and his great love for our country because he is a true inspiration for Indonesia. Nah, ketika kalian sudah membaca contoh dari biografi B.J. Habibie, yang selanjutnya itu I will give you first pass out worksheet ada di textbook kalian, silahkan dibuka. Nah, and in the worksheet context about identifying structure of the context dan ada 4 pertanyaan, betul nggak?
Yes.
I will give you 3 minutes. It's enough or not?
Enough.
Okay. And this worksheet will be individual. Boleh dikerjakan.
Who is the historical figure described in the text? The historical figure described in the text is B.J. Habibie.
Okay, good. For the second question, where was
He was born in Parepare, South Sulawesi on June 25, 1936.
Okay, good. So the third question, what did he do in Germany before to Indonesia? And then what were his great achievement and contribution mentioned in the text? Okay, good students. So after that, please mention orientation in the text in the paragraph berapa? For orientation. Series of heaven? Pre-orientation? Kalian sudah paham ya? Okay, for the next, now I will divide you into two groups. Each group will get a picture about our inspirational figure, and then your task is to make a simple biography context based on the picture. Got it? Okay. And then please identify the information about the figure, arrange the event chronologically, and write the text using the correct structure. You have around 5 minutes. Enough? Oh yeah, don't forget to use simple past tense, right? You can use word like was, for, started, worked, till, paham? After you finish class, each group please present your biography text in front of the class. Okay? Oke, bisa dimulai sekarang sama waktunya.
Yang mana ya?
5 minutes for
Usno, si Raja Daud.
Gitu ya Mas ya.
Enggak, tapi
Very good students.
yuk. Fatmawati tidak ditulis.
Have you done students? Done. Okay, so now it's time to present your biography text. Please, group PM Soekarno.
Tidak ada podcast.
Soekarno, please present your biography about Soekarno in front of the class.
Cantik pengen.
Kira masih Do you remember?
As per our biography of orientation, E.S. Soekarno, the first president of Indonesia, was born in Surabaya on June 6, 1911. His birth name was Krisna Sosro Dinarjo. He was born to Raden Suharto. These